Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, your trusted source for high-performance gear reviews. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful DDR5 memory kits on the market in 2025. Say hello to the G.SKILL Trident Z5 Neo RGB DDR5 64GB kit, featuring dual 32GB sticks clocked at 6,000 metric tons per second with a sleek matte black heat spreader and dynamic RGB. Whether you're running the latest AMD Ryzen 7000 series or 14th Gen Intel, this kit is built for serious performance. Let's start with capacity and speed. You're getting a massive 64GB of DDR5 memory, 2x32GB, running at 6,000 megatransfers per second, delivering an ideal combination of high bandwidth and future-proofing for creators, gamers, streamers, and professionals. Multitasking? Heavy video editing? Virtual machines? This kit eats those workloads for breakfast. Tuned with CL36-36-36-96 latency at 1.35V, the Trident Z5 Neo RGB strikes a solid balance between aggressive speed and system stability. Thanks to its dual-profile support for both AMD EXPO and Intel XMP 3.0, you get total flexibility. Whether you're running a Ryzen 7000 AM5 platform or Intel Z790, setup is just one BIOS toggle away. Visually, the Z5 Neo RGB looks stunning. The matte black aluminum heat spreader is ultra-premium and pairs beautifully with any stealth or RGB-heavy build. The signature Trident Z light bar features smooth, diffused RGB effects customizable through G.SKILL's lighting software or third-party apps like Asus Aura Sync, Gigabyte RGB Fusion, MSI Mystic Light, and Ashrock Polychrome RGB. And of course, it's not just about looks, these modules are engineered for stability and efficiency. The ONDI ACC and Power Management IC, PMIC, embedded on each DIMM ensure lower noise, better thermal regulation, and more stable overclocking performance under heavy loads. G.SKILL rigorously tests every Trident Z5 Neo kit with a wide range of motherboards to guarantee compatibility and reliability. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty, this memory kit is built to perform now, and well into the future. Here's a breakdown of the key specs. Model, F5600J3636F32GX2TZ5NR. Total capacity, 64GB 2x32GB. Speed, DDR5-6000MT/S. Latency, CL36-36-36-96. Voltage, 1.35V. RGB lighting, yes, fully customizable. Profile supported, AMD EXPO and Intel XMP 3.0. Form factor, UDIM, desktop. Color, matte black. If you're building a cutting-edge workstation or high-end gaming rig and need a memory kit that keeps up with your ambitions, the Trident Z5 Neo RGB 64GB delivers elite performance, sleek aesthetics, and bulletproof compatibility. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to take your system to the next level, check out the product link in the description. And as always, like this video, subscribe to Gadgetverse, and ring the bell so you never miss a high-performance tech review.